guys, today I'll be reacting to Racist Mario. My friend says it's really funny, but I don't know. Let's see.
Here I come.
Oh, I didn't know they raced with him. What the heck? What are you doing, Mario?
I don't mean no trouble.
He doesn't have his own
I don't even have my own console. We're multi-platform now.
What'd you do? Oh my goodness.
It must be Mario. He takes racing too seriously.
He takes everything too seriously.
Oh my. Oh, that is so disgusting, but very funny.
My track?
Star Wars? What? Nintendo? Okay, that's funny.
Holy shit! It's more than non-Nintendo racers.
What is he? Some kind of racist?
I like how he just pops up.
You're not Nintendo. You're Pretendo.
What's Pretendo?
Race Stranger.
Race strangers. That's the best you can come up with? What is he? No, not Yoshi! No! I didn't know he could talk. Oh my god, no, Yoshi! What's he gonna do with the big... Oh, no. I see what's gonna go on now.
3 years of jumping of barrels.
23
fucking years.
Oh!
Oh god! Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Luigi!
Coming for you, nigga.
Okay, that is racist.
Wait, Mario, think of our history.
So, you like it to go fast, huh?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh no, no! Something has to do with Ash.
Now it's mine, and I can force it to do whatever I want.
What are you doing? Oh my. Okay, Ash, you can stop that right now.
Mario, stop! We're brothers!
Wait, you're gonna hurt Luigi? No! Kratos!
Mario!
Oh shit, it's Kratos! Fuck you, Kratos! You PlayStation characters never learn!
What? Kratos! What's wrong with you? Wait, when did machine guns come in Mario Racing? Now I want to play. Something has to...
Oh, hey, Mario.
What are you doing? Wait. Oh, so you can get big? Oh my god, Mario. Kratos has destroyed people bigger than that. He's destroyed a god.